All right, here I had a 25 Subaru Crosstrek with the 2.5 liter engine, and I was doing an oil change. And if you just want the quick information, it takes a 0W16. It takes 4.7 quarts of that. The drain plug is a 17 millimeter, and the drain plug torque is 30.8 foot-pounds. And if you want to use an OEM filter, this is the part number down here. And then the rest of the video is just me showing where everything is. So here at the top of your engine, on the left side, you got your dipstick, and on the right side, you got your oil filter, and next to it is the oil fill cap. Down here in the splash shield, there's an opening towards the middle, and there's your oil drain plug. And then this is the OEM filter it came with, and like I said, that's the part number. Now, to reset your oil life, you're going to come here, and you're going to press your home button if you're not there already. And then there you press car info, and then there you press maintenance. And usually on these cars, everything is just at nothing. So if you want to actually set it, you press a little gear, and then you can press default. And on these, default is 6,000 miles, and it'll start counting down from there. Or you can press on the distance, and then you can put your own mileage. All right. If you press reset, it deletes all your information. All right. I don't know why it does that. So if you have any questions, just let me know, and I can try to help you out.